IGBO are uniting, IGBO are coming together. We are now talking about our unity from Ngweland to Okaland, from Oka to the rest of Enuani and the entire Nyoma region. The Enuani, the Ika, and their brothers, the Banker people in Oyon local government area of Edo State, down to our brothers in Okwani. The rest of the Ndokwa people are solidly behind us. They are responding. They are coming up. More proponents are coming out. People are subscribing to this movement, and it is a thing of joy. It is a thing of joy to see IGBO coming together. And by next month, 24th of February 2024, we shall be having the second edition of IGBO Unity Conference, where we will be hosting every person from all the proponents from the Eka region, the Iselukus, the Ndionichubo, Umwezechime. They will be coming, selected people will be coming to join us on that particular Unity Conference, where we will be talking about how to strengthen our unity. From here, from the eastern region down to the south region, the rest of the whole of the Delta North Senatorial District. And every year, they celebrate what they call Iwaji. Some call it Iwagi, some call it Iwaji, some call it Imeji, depending on their dialectical forms. But it is one thing.